Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2008 Hyundai Santa Fe Limited all-wheel drive, stock number B8845A. 116,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Natural khaki in color. After our rigorous inspection, it does qualify for our certified used vehicle program, giving a 3-month, 3,000-mile powertrain warranty, which also includes emergency roadside assistance, towing, rental reimbursement, and trip interruption service, all available nationwide. Santa Fe is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Split seat back, folds flat. For additional cargo space, rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. Lots of cargo space in the rear with additional underfloor storage. This Limited has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, upgraded 10-speaker Infinity sound system, power seat, moonroof, large, easy-to-read gauges, tilt wheel, cruise control, easy-to-operate radio and CD changer. It's also satellite radio capable. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable, and heated front seats. 5-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. Large glove box with the owner's manual inside. Overhead, auto dimming mirror with home link transmitter for garage door opener and power moonroof control. Under the hood, the Santa Fe is a 3.3-liter V6, 242 horsepower. And very clean under the hood, as you can see. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 24 on the highway, and approximately 50% tire tread left. Don't forget about that certified warranty, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCB8845A to 6624.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.